Hey everybody, today is Wednesday, the 29th day of November 2023, about 4:15 in the afternoon, and I'm sure you're probably a little curious as to why you're starting out staring at a busy road. Well, what I'm about to do is I'm doing my review of Fairway RV Park. You can see that. This is 59 out here. This is the highway, okay? If you look this way to the right, you don't see it of course, but down that way is the town, or up that way I should say, is the town of Nacogdoches. If you go that way south, you'll go to Lufkin. Here's the thing. When you come in and out of this park here, if you stay here, you can see there's a fence over there in the middle of the median, and the turning is up here, just actually a little bit past it, that area right there. So if you're going to go to Nacogdoches, you come here and go on to the right, but you always have to wait almost every time with quite a bit of traffic. If you're going over to go to Lufkin, then you're waiting for traffic on that side too, and you can see right now it's definitely rush hour and it's crazy busy. Also, to get, to come in here, like if you're coming from Nacogdoches with your trailer, you come in here, you got to whip right back around and then into here. And just like me, when I leave on Friday, because that's when we're leaving, the day after tomorrow, is I'm going to have to go across that thing at that kind of an angle, make sure it's clear on both ends, and then get out of here, and that's going to take a little bit. So I wanted to show this to you. This is the one negative of this whole place. But you see that big sign I've already showed you, and over here, you see this Fairway RV Park, 2,000 feet ahead, and it is. When you turn on this little dirt road, you go straight, and this dead ends right into the park. There's a turn in down here, and I'll show that to you. And just don't turn on, go straight, and you'll hit it. Let me show you. All right, so I told you there's a little road down here, and not to turn on it. This is the road right here I'm talking about. It goes up there to where the golf stuff is. So like I said, you keep going straight, and that's where we'll pick it up for the video. Alright, so now this is the road that I was driving up a minute ago, and as I turn around right here is where this road brings you to, is right here. Now you can see you can go up the hill. That little tiny building up there is the office. I'll show it to you in a minute. And you can come here and you can see it says speed limit 10, office straight ahead, is already pointed out to you. So you can go that way, or you can go this way. If you're going to meet somebody at the office, then you'll want to pull up this hill here. We're back there, two little quote-unquote streets down is where we're at. Now the office, there are no regular office hours here. Nobody stays in there at any given time. But that's not a negative, because you can get a hold of them and call them or text them. They'll give you their information when you check in here. And when you can get packages and mail here. They will get them and they will bring them to you. So you'll get literally straight to your door delivery, but safe. Also, if like if you're gonna have big boxes sent here, you through like FedEx or USPS or whoever, it's too big to fit in the mailbox, they will put them out here on this little porch usually, and you can come up here and get those. But if you don't, then the fellow that runs the place, he will get them, like I said, and bring them to you. Now, this place actually is attached to a golf course, and it's over there. There's a couple of guys over there playing right now, it looks like. Right here is the one and only dumpster in this whole area. So when you need to throw away your trash, oh, and here, probably can't really tell it, but we are straight back through there. That's where we're staying at. But I'll show it to you later. You can see I've got kind of an overview here. The park's not very big. There's still at least 3 or 4 open spots here, I know. Here's the dumpster. It's got 6 doors to it. And so this is, like I said, the only place to throw away your trash. But you can see these trailers here. These are all back ends. We're in a pull-through. These middle 2 are pull-throughs, and of course those in the very back are back ends, and of course these here are back ends right here. But as I told you, the opening of this is truly the only negative here is that road getting in and out. That's it. I mean, everything else, we've been here for 2 months. Well, through tomorrow will be 2 months. And like I said, we're leaving Friday, which is December the 1st. Other than about 1 week, they had some internet problems here. But I mean, but it wasn't their fault. It was the internet company. The guy was out here working on it for several days, actually, before they finally got it fixed. But I mean, you know, we can watch YouTube videos, do anything on the internet. I've uploaded a number of videos from here. You know, haven't any problems. Pick up quite a few over-the-air TV channels, and that's been good. Especially grit. I like westerns, and so been able to get grit here, and that's been good. I'll just show you. Won't walk down it, but I'll just show you what, you know, this is all just gravel, little roads here, and you can see how that these are pulled in here. This one on this end is empty, and the one at the other place there is empty. They've been empty for a little while. There was an Airstream here for a few weeks, and they left probably a week or so ago. We are down this next row, down through there on the other end of it. 2 from the end. In fact, you can see there's a little bit of fall color right here in this little tree. So yeah, if you know our car and our truck, you can definitely pick those out of the crowd up there. This here is the camp host over here. Nothing else you should be able to tell by the fences and porch and, you know, all the pretty stuff. But anyway, this little building right up here, I'm going to show you this. This is the laundry and showers. There's no codes or locks or anything like that on the door. But I'll show you this here. We've used it once or twice. So you can see there what that says. And here we go. Turn some light so you can see. You can see that in here they actually have showers. Big shower right there. Other facilities here. And then you can see they have 3 washers and 3 dryers. These are the dryers on this end, these are the washers on this end. And you can see they're all the same. Actually, the washers are $1.50. The dryers are $1. These wash for like 45 minutes and these dry like 45 minutes. This here's another bathroom. And then I got a few little things here. So this is the laundry room. See, even the ceiling's nice here. It's, you know, there ain't not a whole lot of room in here. There's your flooring. So that's what this looks like. Alright, let's just keep going and take a look here. Alright, so the place is quiet. Like I said, we've been here for 2 months. There's no problems, no screaming, no fights, no drunken parties or nothing like that at all. So, I mean, everything honestly has been a pro. The cost for the site is $400. It's a 30 amp site. And that's $400 all inclusive. That's not plus electric. That's all inclusive. $400, that's it. And so, and we've been here for 2 months and paid that each month. So it's worked out very well for us. And you can see this spot right here is empty. And over there where that north point is, that just came in today. So that spot was empty until then. And then there is this one empty spot right here, number 29. This is our spot. Here's where we're at. And there's been enough room to park both vehicles up front. And got our antenna out. Full hookups, obviously. We're at site number 20. Here's what site number this is. See, there's our slide. There's the truck. Antenna. Got a neighbor with a puppy there. And then you get a little table here, which we've never used, but you do get it. And so, you know, just a little bit of space here, but enough space for both vehicles up there. So this is for the smaller ones here, but over here, I mean, you can fit any size up in there. Size doesn't matter. So other than that, that's about my review. Hope you enjoy it. It helps you out in your travels. And you know, if you stay here, let me know what you think about it, because it's all good except for that road out there. And oh, that last thing, let me say that you can hear, I've been walking around here, and you see you don't hear that road noise all the way back here, so it's non-existent. So it's very quiet and very good. All right, thumb it up, like it, share it, all that good stuff. See you on the next one.